up, YouTube? This is Justin. I know I haven't made a video in a long time because I didn't really have anything to talk about. So today I just came back from the Jabbawockeez show at Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas. And yeah, it was kind of cool. This is my second time going. I went to the one in 2012 at Monte Carlo. Yeah, it's pretty cool, you know, just like watching the Jabbawockeez do their thing. But you know, the 2012 one was different. So yeah, look what I got. I got a Jabbawockeez hat. I know it's backwards, okay. Yeah, I said JBWKZ. That's backwards. Yeah, that's backwards. So, yeah. If you like the video, yeah, then punch that like button down below and send a comment if you have to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Peace out, suckers.